My teammates are Diksha, Ekta, and Disha. Today we are going to present our topic that is GM Insta, which is a mini social media app which will be developed by using the MangoDB as the database. So, moving to the introduction part. In the introduction part, we will see the GM Insta, which is a mini social media application where it will be similar to the Instagram, where the user can register if they don't have account. If they have account already, they can log in and they can post any types of content there in the application, and they can like the posts, they can dislike the post, and they can comment on the post, and they can also chat with the other users. So here we have used the MongoDB, which will be used as the database to store the data, like posts, comments, and all. And this project will be developed to for learning, and we also learn here how the social media applications actually works. So, moving to the problem statement. In the problem statement, we will see nowadays the social media apps like Instagram, Facebook is continuously generating the large amount of data, like where it contains posts, likes, comments, chats, and lot of data will be generating continuously, where they need a better storage. So, the traditional databases like SQL, they are less flexible for storing these kinds of large amount of data, where when the data increases their performance also slows down. So that's why they need a better scalable system where it will be fast in performance and it will be more flexible itself. So that's why this kind of problem will be solved by this MongoDB, where it solves the problem, this kind of problem, by storing the data, large amount of data in the form of collections and the documents and all. So it provides a better solution for this kind of social media apps. Okay, that's why we have also used this MongoDB. Next part will be continued by Disha.
Hello everyone, I am Disha. Now I will continue with the objectives. So for developing this application, the main objective is to develop a mini social media application that stimulates a real world platform like Instagram or Facebook. First we focus on the user registration and login, which allows the users to securely create accounts and access the system. Next, we implement a feed page where the users can view posts shared by others and making the app interactive and dynamic. We also include a like or comment system, enabling users to engage with posts and communicate through the feedbacks. Additionally, we add a chat feature for real-time communication between users, improving the user interactions. Finally, we use the MongoDB as the database, which helps to store the user database and post and messages efficiently in a flexible format. Next slide. Next slide is the technologies used. For developing this application, we mainly use Python as a core programming language because it is simple and powerful. The backend is built using the Flask, which is a lightweight web framework that helps us handle requests and manage the application logic. And for the database, we used MongoDB, Compass, and HTML for and CSS and JavaScript to design the user interface and to make it interactive, VS Code for the development and for the coding part. Next will be continued by Diksha.
Hello everyone, I'm Diksha. I'm going to explain the main modulus. This slide shows the main modulus of our application GM Insta. First, we have the registration page where new users create their account. Next is the login page, which allows existing users to access the system secure.
Yes.
This slide shows the main modulus of our application GM Insta. First, we have the registration page. where new users create their account. Next is the login page, which allows existing users to access the system securely. After logging in, users see the home feed where posts from different users are displayed. The create post module allows users to upload content like text or images. Users can interact with posts using the like and comment feature. The profile page shows use details and their post. Finally, the chat page allows users to send messages and to communicate with each other is in real time. Then move to the next slide. System architecture. At the top, we have the user who interacts with the system. The user accesses the application through the front end, which is developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This handles the design and the user interface. The front end communicates with the Flask backend, which processes user requests and handles the application logic. Finally, all data is stored in the MongoDB database, which manages users' data, posts, and the messages efficiently. Moving to the next slide. Features implemented. We have user registration and user login for authentication. Users can create posts and view feed to share and see content. They can also like or dislike posts and add comments to interact. Each user has a user profile to manage their information. And then finally, we have implemented chat and messaging, which allows users to communicate directly with each other. And the next part will be continued by Ekta. Kirtana.
Hello everyone, this is the output. Here we will see the real-time working of a GM Insta. Okay. This is the whole home page of our GM Insta project, where user can register here by using his username and passwords and ID. Here I have already account, so that's why I'm logging in. After registration, he can log in through his name, like username and email ID. Here he can see this uh, profile of the user, where you can see the feed. This is the home page, like home feed of this particular user, where he can share the posts by using this captions, and he can share the location of that particular post also where he had taken, and he can also upload the image URL here. Can also, then he can like the posts and he can comment on it. Okay, he can comment on it and he can and all. This is the profile, user profile of the user, where he can change his full name, and he can add his picture to the particular profile, and he can also add some kind of bio. Here I have added like computer science student at GM University building a whole campus projects. He can also after adding everything, I can save the changes what he had made. Then these are the posts of the particular user. And after that, this is the navigation bar, where it really helps the user to explore everything in the by navigating everything. Like this is the chat page of the user, where he can chat, like he can send the messages, he can receive the messages with other users also. And after that, he can log out. There will be some kind of suggestions will be the user will got, like where it is related to his content, like he will be getting this what the suggestions also. And he can also explore the things here, okay, in this which is similar to the Instagram app. And then next part will be continued by Ekta.
Hello, I'm Ekta. So we'll see the testing, like how we tested the GM Insta app. So there are some valid and invalid cases. We'll go to the valid cases. When the user enters the correct login details, the login is successful. And when the user creates a post, it gets uploaded successfully. When the user sends messages in chat, the message is delivered properly. And invalid cases are if a user enters the wrong password, the system shows an error message. If required fields are empty during the registration or any login, the validation messages appear. And if a user tries to post an empty comment, the system does not allow it. Next slide. Uh,
Manimshita.
Advantages and future enhancement. uh, we'll see the advantages. MongoDB, it has the flexible schema, so social media data can be stored easily. It provides fast performance for handling the post, likes, and comments. JSON like document storage makes the data management simple. The system can scale where more users can join. This app has an attractive and user friendly interface. It is suitable for social media application because it handles the unstructured data very well. And if we see the future enhancement, we can make it add reels and video sharing feature, add notifications for likes, comments, and messages, introduce a follow or unfollow system, develop a mobile version of the app, and add AI based content recommendation, implement dark mode for better user experience. Next slide. Moving on to the conclusion, the team successfully developed the GM Insta, a mini social media app. Uh, uh, we gained practical knowledge of MongoDB and NoSQL databases. We learned how to front end and back end the system work together. The project proved that the MongoDB is a good choice for the modern application that handle the large amounts of unstructured data very well. Thank you.
Here we will see this real-time working of the valid and invalid cases. If we enter wrong details like if we enter username only like student one, and then we will without entering password we wish to log in here, but it will show like error like please fill in this field. We need to enter the password here, so we will enter. Then it will be login, right? You can save the password if you can, and then without any kind of you can you can share the post without location, without image. Must and should you need to add the image, but without any kind of captions. If you want to share the post, it will show an error. This is the invalid case here. We're testing. Done. If you share the post with a image and the caption, you can share the posts. This is what our working of a GM Insta. Thank you.